Welcome to the game of wealth. It's a mindset where strategy, hard work, and smart decisions lead you to success. Get ready, because only those who think big will win. Financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about having control over your time, choices, and future. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling stuck in a job you don't love, or constantly stressing about bills, then this video is for you. I'm going to share my honest, no-nonsense advice on how to achieve true financial freedom, step by step. Part 1. Define what financial freedom means to you. Defining what financial freedom means to you is the essential first step on your journey toward achieving it, because financial freedom looks different for everyone. For some, it means the ability to retire early and live off their investments, free from the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. For others, it's about having enough passive income to cover all their living expenses, allowing them to pursue their passions and hobbies without financial stress. But financial freedom doesn't always have to mean extravagant wealth or complete retirement. It could be as simple as having the financial security to make choices based on desire rather than necessity. Perhaps you dream of traveling the world, exploring new cultures, and experiencing life on your own terms. Or maybe your vision involves starting your own business, turning a passion project into a sustainable source of income that offers both creative fulfillment and financial stability. Part 2. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle is a crucial step toward achieving financial freedom, and it all begins with gaining control over your money. Living paycheck to paycheck not only creates constant stress and anxiety, but also prevents you from making meaningful progress toward your financial goals. To break this cycle, you must first track your expenses meticulously. Knowing exactly where your money is going is essential for making smarter financial decisions. Take the time to review your bank statements, categorize your spending, and identify patterns that may be draining your finances without providing real value. Whether it's frequent dining out, subscription services you've forgotten about, or impulsive online purchases, recognizing these habits is the first step toward eliminating unnecessary expenses. Once you've identified areas where you can cut back, create a realistic budget that prioritizes your essential needs, savings, and investments. Adopting the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes toward necessities, 30% toward discretionary spending. Part 3. Create a budget that works. Creating a budget that works isn't about depriving yourself. It's about taking control of your money and ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet powerful framework to help you manage your finances efficiently. Under this rule, 50% of your income should go toward essential needs such as rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and healthcare, the things you truly can't live without. Next, 30% is allocated to wants, which include dining out, entertainment, travel, shopping, and hobbies, allowing you to enjoy life while maintaining financial stability. Finally, the most crucial part is the 20% dedicated to savings and investments, which sets the foundation for long-term financial security. Part 4. Increase your income. Saving money is important, but let's be honest, there's only so much you can cut before you hit a limit. The real game changer for financial freedom isn't just about spending less, it's about earning more and maximizing your income potential. The more money you bring in, the faster you can save, invest, and build wealth without feeling restricted. One of the best ways to boost your income is through side hustles, such as freelancing, starting an online business, selling digital products, or offering a service based on your skills. Another powerful approach is to create passive income streams, which allow you to earn money with minimal effort over time. Part 5. Get out of debt fast. Debt is often the most significant roadblock standing between you and financial freedom, and it can feel overwhelming when you're constantly juggling credit card payments, student loans, car loans, and other forms of debt. The longer you carry these debts, the more they drain your finances, making it difficult to build wealth or invest for the future. That's why paying off debt should be one of your top priorities on the path to financial independence. Two proven strategies can help you tackle debt effectively: the debt snowball method and the debt avalanche method. The debt snowball method involves focusing on paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate, while making minimum payments on your other debts. The idea behind this approach is that paying off smaller debts quickly provides a psychological boost, creating momentum and motivation to continue tackling your larger debts. Part 6. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Having an emergency fund prevents unexpected expenses from ruining your financial progress. Aim to save at least 3–6 months worth of expenses in a separate account. This fund acts as a safety net, so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans when emergencies happen. Part 7. Start investing early. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to building wealth is waiting too long to start investing. Many people assume they need thousands of dollars or years of experience before they can begin, but the truth is, you don't need a lot of money to get started. Just begin with what you can afford. Even small, consistent contributions can have a significant impact over time, thanks to the power of compound interest, which works like magic to grow your wealth exponentially. For example, investing just $5 a day may seem like a small amount, but over time, with the right investments, that could grow into 6 figures or more. The key is to start early and stay consistent. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Part 8. Own assets, not just liabilities. The rich get richer because they buy assets, not liabilities. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket: stocks, rental properties, businesses. A liability takes money out: cars, expensive gadgets, luxury purchases. If you want financial freedom, focus on acquiring income-generating assets instead of spending money on things that lose value. Part 9. Create passive income streams. To achieve true financial freedom, you need to build income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. Relying solely on a paycheck means you're constantly trading your time for money, which limits your ability to grow wealth exponentially. This is where passive income comes in, a way to earn consistently without direct daily effort. One of the most common and reliable sources of passive income is dividend-paying stocks, where companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, allowing you to earn money just by holding stocks over time. Another powerful strategy is real estate investing. Part 10. Surround yourself with the right people. Your mindset is shaped by the people around you. If you spend time with broke, negative, or financially irresponsible people, their habits will rub off on you. Surround yourself with mentors, entrepreneurs, and people who are financially successful. Learn from them, get inspired, and adopt the habits that lead to wealth. Part 11. Stay consistent and patient. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It takes years of smart money decisions, discipline, and consistency. There will be setbacks, market crashes, and unexpected expenses, but if you stick to the plan, you will achieve financial freedom. The key is to keep going, no matter what. Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a choice. If you commit to these steps, stay disciplined, and take action every day, you will reach your financial goals. The earlier you start, the faster you'll achieve true financial independence. If you found this advice helpful, hit that subscribe button for more financial tips and strategies. Let's build wealth together.